Today we talk about how can you change your name on your Hang app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click on your photo profile down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here in this sign, and you just click on it. So then you come to next step here. When you click on edit, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. You come here to name, you click on this side. So then here can you change your first name and last name here. Here can you change your name. That's all. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.